Okay, yes, six. So we've looked at the Christian views of how to look after the religion. We've looked at Islam and the five pillars. We've looked at Hinduism and karma and ahimsa. We've looked at Jews and we've looked at Christianity and creation. So now we're trying to look at the similarities and differences across these and what we can learn from this. So we need to look at what a non-religious response would be. Consider science. So consider things like the conservation of species. Now that means the saving of species. I know we've talked about pollution and how animals are eating it and getting poorly. Turtles and things are getting trapped in it. Dolphins are. Looking at global warming and actually that pollution and how our temperature of the earth is rising and that's causing sea levels to rise and flooding and other crazy weathers, and that pollution is also contributing to that. And how do you feel about looking after environment and why? Not just because you think it's good or you think you should. Why do you think you should? Is it a religious reason? Is it a scientific reason? Doesn't matter what reason it is, as long as I've got your justification. Okay, year six. I think everyone should have a go at this task because I think it would be really useful when planning your writing for this because I would like a longer piece. So you're going to put the scientific reasons on one side, the religious reasons on another side, and then any that overlap in the middle. So you need to think about actually, are there some religious views that overlap as well and consider those. You've got your word bank at the top as well, Greens, if you need any help. And then blues and reds, I want you to write a paragraph or an extended piece about actually the religious reasons versus the scientific reason. Is one more important than the other and why? Religious reasons more important than scientific reasons? What's your view? What's the non-religious view? So can you write me those paragraphs to explain? Reds, I would like you to evaluate. So give both sides and then maybe give your opinion, a bit like a balanced argument.